Hello everyone, this is Cassie. Welcome to our channel. In the last few videos, we already introduced how to use the 8-in-1 magnetic hook on embroidering the coat chest and the t-shirt sleeves. I believe you guys can do it now. We will continue some videos about it. If you like it, just subscribe us to follow more updates. Okay, now I will introduce how to use the magnetic hook to embroider on the hat side. First step, separate the hook with the magnetic part and hook part. Here is the tip 1. Be careful of your finger because of its strong magnetism. Then put on the backing paper. Here is the tip 2. You can stick some double-sided tape on the hook to avoid the slide when you put the hat. Okay, put on the hat. And put on the magnetic hook. Tighten the hat. Here is the tip 3. Unfasten the latch on the back of hat so that you can do it as flat as possible. Second step, I need to attach to the handrail. Move the black knob, align the 2 holes, then tighten it. Okay, now it was done. Select other embroidery frame. Choose a pattern prepared in advance. This ABC. Click this set. I need to adjust the direction. Then go to the mode on. Choose a color. Number 4, I like it. Say start to confirm the correct embroidery place. Here it comes. It looks not bad. What do you think? Thanks for watching today's sharing. Do you remember the tips I mentioned in this video? Subscribe us to learn more. See you next time. Bye bye.